Welcome to Driver Motorsports unboxing video number 3 or 4, I don't know. But we're unboxing stuff today. We have a Stillen Supercharger kit for a Nissan 370Z. Let's get into it, shall we? All right, we got some hoses. Yeah, that's cool that it includes all this. Hopefully we won't have to find any. We have our fuel pump and injectors. Intercooler system, sweet. Manifold assembly, sick. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That looks good right there. All fancy and cast and stuff. Uprev. We're going to be tuning this car on Uprev. So this came with it. These are the vacuum water hoses. This is probably for the intake. Blower assembly. All right, here's our supercharger. Well, I'm glad this is all bolted together. I was not looking forward to figuring out how everything was going to go and all that, so this is awesome. Oh yeah, you like horsepower? You like horsepower? That thing's cool, dude. It's got the fancy little Stillen tag right there. It's a Vortec V3 supercharger. So popping all this stuff on should get us anywhere in between, I think they say 50 to 75 extra horsepower on their website, but we're gonna actually pop it on the dyno beforehand, see what kind of power we make stock, and then we're gonna put this on and see exactly what kind of power we make. So that'll be good. Little idler pulley. All right, and that's it for box number 1, I believe. This is all just foam, packaging material. So on this intake here, it actually has an intercooler built in. It's a air to water intercooler, and the actual bit that cools the air is in this box. Can't wait to figure out where that goes. Here's our intake. Comes off like this, goes across the front of the engine. Here's our fancy cover. This goes on in place to cover up the rest of the rocker cover there. With this intake manifold, it fits differently, so this just helps clean everything up, makes it look nice and tidy. Looking all fancy. All right, got a couple of nice little Canon intake filters. Those are gonna go on the end of this. This goes on here, like so. Here's our smaller pressurized coolant reservoir. With this kit, you have to relocate and or get another coolant reservoir to make room for the supercharger. Here we have all of our couplers. Looks like to be a bracket in there. The electric booster pump. Oh, this is the pump for the fluid. Cool. Little turbine. Isn't that cute? So we got to wire that in, plumb that in. This is the hardware for the engine cover. This is miscellaneous. There's lots of miscellaneous things in this bag. All right, well, this may not look like $7,000 worth of stuff, but it is. Hopefully it's gonna get us another 65, 70 horsepower. We have total fuel system we're upgrading, intake manifold, putting the supercharger on. It has instructions that come with it, so it ought to be really simple, as long as you can read. So if you guys need any Stillen products, definitely hit us up because we are dealers for Stillen now. We can get them for you, get them installed. So shoot us an email, sales@drivermotorsports.com. You can also message me or Chris directly on our Facebook accounts. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys.